Hi everyone, I am Vikrant Singh Pahal, a BTech Computer Science graduate from Manav Rachna University, Faridabad. I would like to share my short review about Evision Technoserve and my learning journey here. Before joining Evision, I had the best technical knowledge but not real-time experience. After joining, I got proper knowledge, hands-on training in areas like networking, Windows Server, Active Directory, and Outlook. The trainers are really supportive. They teach everything step by step and focus on practical learning, not just theory. We also worked on real time projects and ticketing tools, which helped me understand how IT infrastructure actually works in the companies. The best part is the placement support and mock interviews, resume guidance, and continuous mentoring until you get placed. It really builds your confidence and for interviews. Thanks to Evision Technoserve, now I feel fully knowledgeable and I got placed in Accenture BPCL as service desk engineer. It's been a great experience and I truly recommend Evision to anyone who wants to start their career in IT. Thank you Evision Technoserve for helping me build my confidence and skills for the IT industry.